First right-click your Battle.net launcher. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Select Run this program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Now open your launcher. If that didn't work, close your launcher, disable your antivirus and try to update or install your game again. If that didn't work, first open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type the following command then press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 1111. In alternate DNS type, 1001. Press OK. Close the window and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press yes. Now restart. Press yes. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Internet Options. Open the Connections tab. Go to Local Area Network Settings. Click on LAN Settings. Uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Press OK. Press OK. Restart and your problem should be fixed.